If chia seeds aren't your thing, whether it's their texture, taste, or the way they swell up in liquid, you're not alone. Fortunately, there are several other nutrient-dense seeds that can help you meet your daily fiber goals without sacrificing flavor or enjoyment. Here are 9 fiber-packed alternatives to chia seeds that are just as beneficial. 1. Flax seeds fiber, 3 grams per tablespoon, ground. Why it's great: high in soluble fiber and omega-3s. Best consumed ground for nutrient absorption. How to use: add to smoothies, oatmeal, or baked goods. 2. Hemp seeds fiber, 1 gram per tablespoon, shelled. Why it's great: though lower in fiber, they're high in protein and healthy fats. Whole hemp seeds have more fiber. How to use: sprinkle on salads, yogurt, or blend into protein shakes. 3. Pumpkin seeds, pepitas, fiber, 1.1 gram per ounce, shelled. Why it's great: rich in iron, magnesium, and antioxidants. How to use: snack on them roasted or add to granola and baked goods. 4. Sunflower seeds fiber, 3 grams per ounce, with hull. Why it's great: great for digestion and loaded with vitamin E. How to use: eat as a snack or toss into salads and trail mix. 5. Sesame seeds fiber, 1.1 grams per tablespoon. Why it's great: small but mighty, good source of calcium and lignans. How to use: use in dressings, sprinkle on stir-fries, or try tahini. 6. Poppy seeds fiber, 1.7 grams per tablespoon. Why it's great: surprisingly fiber-rich and a good source of calcium and iron. How to use: add to baked goods, yogurt, or salad dressings. 7. Quinoa fiber, 5 grams per cooked cup, technically a seed. Why it's great: a complete protein with loads of fiber and minerals. How to use: as a base for salads, bowls, or a rice replacement. 8. Cumin seeds fiber, 2.3 grams per tablespoon. Why it's great: adds bold flavor and supports digestion. How to use: toast and grind into spice blends or sprinkle into stews. 9. Psyllium husk fiber, 7 grams per tablespoon. Why it's great: one of the richest sources of soluble fiber, excellent for gut health. How to use: mix with water, smoothies, or bake into fiber bars. Bonus tip: always increase fiber gradually and drink plenty of water to help your body adjust and avoid bloating or discomfort. Thank you for watching.